End screens. This is what this video is about, is end screens. So it's the little things that pop up at the end of a video. You'll see there, like sometimes it can be a video, sometimes it's a playlist, sometimes it's subscribe. You can link off on cards and stuff like that. You can promote someone else's channel. Yeah, so you get choice really. You get your video and there's a certain distance at the end, time, space at the end, where you can then upload your, you can tell, gone off brand, I've got a mango monster. You can push people too. So I try and film now. I try and film the people like say, oh, you know, click here, subscribe here, hit this. And those bits are just turned into funny bits. I mean, Roz was just doing this and stuff.
No. Yeah. so I'll cut that in.
And I was just like, wow, what I've moved away from tonight is a two-parter. It's just, it was too good. And I didn't want to belittle Roz's, achievement in getting her QOM, me going and getting her, better not say. So yeah, it's a two-parter. I wanted to go, right Roz, I didn't know it was going to be a two-parter, so I could put a screen up and say, okay, let's put coming Wednesday, coming Tuesday. But obviously if you watch it in a couple of weeks' time, it's not going to be Tuesday, it's not going to be Wednesday, it's going to be right there. So this one I've just gone, I've asked Roz to do, hit your favourite video, and so she's done that. So at the moment I'll just put best video for viewer. I'll choose that, and then once part 2's out, I will then do, I'll do part 2 from part 1, like that. So it's really simple. Kareen, this one's for you. Here we go. You can't really see it that side because of the lovely blue sky. So hopefully you're out enjoying yourself. We put it there. How's that? Make it a bit brighter. I could do a screen share, but this is the YouTube studio that I was talking about. You can see here subscribers 503. I've had 85 new subscribers in the last 28 days. We can go into stats. So this is just the end screen. So what I'm going to do, go here. I'm going to get this video, the latest one that's premiering tonight, and down here, don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you can see that. Here you can see end screens. So you click end screens and you get a choice then. You can bring in import from latest video. So if you've got one set up as a little preview from tonight, Pink Monster. So for this one, I'm just going to try, I'm not going to do the subscribe. I'm going to push to one video just to say, I might just subscribe. I might. So I'm going to click this one video and subscribe. That comes down on this area here. This is your timeline. This is, and that's the maximum level of how far you can do the end screen. So
try and get 1500 max effort.
Oh, wow.
Hey, don't say that to Mark Cavendish, do you?
450.
Piss off. 700? Recommended. Where's your bike?
So I don't want it quite up there, so that's too soon. So I'm going to watch through now. I'm going to watch through. Turn that down. So now she said, if you want to watch this video, so I'm going to move the subscription over here for now. I'll probably put that on. Best video for viewer here, make it a bit bigger, and then we'll watch that again. And we'll drag this to about here. Subscribe, I'm just going to go and drag that right the way out at the moment.
I watch video because it is the best one.
Which one? Is it?
It's the best
What's
one.
your favourite?
This is my favourite.
Okay.
Okay, so if you want to watch this one,
Yeah.
and that's KOM HUNT TV.
And Instagram.
I'm Rosie WF. Hi.
So to be honest, I'm not. Do I want to subscribe? It doesn't really.
If you want to watch video because it is the best one.
Which one?
The one.
It's the best one, is it?
It's the best one.
So hopefully they'd have already clicked that new video there, which is I've set to best viewer. So what you can do now is let me just change this so I can actually show you. If I wanted to change that, so I can just click on that. You can go most recent upload, or you could go best for viewer, or you could choose a video. So you could hit that. You could choose any of your videos, copy a link in, put that one in if you wanted to, and it will be there. So I'm going to go, and if you want to do a video to someone else's channel, you just go up here, type in the video, or put in the link for the video and go first. So I'm going to go best for viewer. So what YouTube wants you to do is stay on YouTube and watch more videos. If you've seen a video, they know they're gonna push that. If you like shorter videos, they know they're gonna push one of my shorter ones. So leave them, they know what they're doing. Just let them do what they're gonna do. So we'll do that, make it a little bit bigger, and just double check that. So we're gonna get rid of that subscribe, just gonna get rid of it.
If you want to watch video because it is the best one.
Which one?
The one.
It's the best one, is it?
It's the best one.
What's your favourite?
This is my
So
favourite.
that's that.
Okay,
And then
so
we
if
just
you
go
wanna watch
save.
this one,
Yeah.
and that's KOM
Save
HUNT
at the top. Yeah, so you can get channel, probably at the end of this one, so the end of this one I will do, I've got that end screen which I've sort of created the thing which is quite gappy, and I'll put both on, unless what I should do really is link to the video I've just mentioned. So I'd probably do that, but as a premiere, so if you're watching it too soon then you're not going to see the premiere yet, because I don't know if they let you link a premiere, so I'm still learning as much as you. So end screens, that's end screens. What else do you want to know? Keep commenting.